Hello. I'm going to throw together my lunch right now that I made on Sunday night. Just that quinoa bowl with all the green stuff in it with the lemon tahini dressing. I'm just going to show you how I throw that together. I am in the throes of prepping for my cooking class. I have my grocery list going. I've got this whole list of things to do. So I'm starving and I can't possibly get all that work done if I don't eat a really good lunch. So here is the quinoa in the bottom of the bowl. This is actually kind of a lot. I don't know if I'll be able to eat this all because it's just going to be full. So here I go. I'll show you. I took my leftover asparagus that we grilled on our griddle on Sunday night. It looks pretty sad, but it's going to taste good mixed in this bowl. So I just chopped up like 3 stalks of it, and I'm going to add that right in. And then I have my avocado. It's really, really soft, ready kind of to be done almost, but it's gonna work for this. So I sliced it in there, and then I just take my spoon and scoop it out. This healthy fat is gonna help me stay so full for a long time and focused on my work. Put that in there. And then always greens, 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 greens. Green leafy vegetables are so important for us. No one eats enough green leafy vegetables. So here we go. I got like a good, handful here of my baby spinach. I always just get this washed and organic. As soon as it starts to turn a little slimy, toss it in a freezer bag for smoothies. Hi Megan, hi Amy. Just throwing together that quinoa bowl that I made on Sunday that I posted that so many people were really excited about, and I'm hungry for lunch, so I'm doing it again. I just kind of rough chop this spinach. I hate big giant bites of greens, so I always cut small. All right, so I got my spinach in there, my avocado, and my grilled asparagus, all left over, all cold. I actually love this room temperature, not cold and not hot. I'm hoping that my leftover broccoli is still good. Let's see here. Yeah, I think it's good. I don't see any mold or fuzz or anything. I'm gonna get as much as I can in this bowl. I love raw broccoli. Again, room temperature, not really cold. I don't like it just plain. I like to have some yummy dressing on it, so that's what I'm doing. I just give this a quick chop. I don't want this process to take too long. Add it to my bowl. See how much I can fit in there. Broccoli is an awesome source of calcium, as well as the spinach. I mean, all greens have a little bit in it, among other things. I feel like broccoli is like the most well-loved and hated vegetable. I don't know. My kids love broccoli, but some people make jokes about it being gross. Not me. All right, then I have some cucumber. It's already been washed. I just need to dice them up a little bit. I like to make chop it into 4 so that it's this size. And toss that in there. I almost could do a little bit more asparagus, but I'm not a huge asparagus fan. Like, some of my kids like it better than I do. Whatever, I'll take it. And then I have these awesome pumpkin seeds that are dry roasted and salted. Normally I dry roast and salt them at home, but it's another step and it takes time. So these are awesome. I store them in the fridge and then they last a really long time. They don't go rancid. So here's my bowl so far for lunch. And I just want to, here's a little line of, a lot. I like healthy fat. I say the more fat the better. Fat's not the enemy. Sugar and processed food is, so load it up, right? And then my lemon tahini dressing, I have a blender ball in here. It's found in the Oh She Glows cookbook. I think her second one, the Oh She Glows Every Day. One of my favorites. People joke about it with me, about how I am so in love with her cookbooks and her food. Just so many plants in her food, which is amazing. So yeah, then I just drizzle this lemon tahini dressing on here. There's like I don't know, half a cup or more of lemon in this dressing, of fresh squeezed lemon juice, I mean, among many other ingredients, but it's easy to put together. There's tahini, so that's what you taste the most. But here you go, guys. Here's my bowl. It's gonna be so good. Just stir that all up. Enjoy every single bite. I hope you all have an awesome Tuesday. I can't wait for my cooking class tonight. I can't wait to pack out this room. We're going to learn all things gut health. We're going to learn about how this is helpful for our guts and why, including the 5 steps that are required for the ultimate healing of the gut. So, see ya. Have a great day.